Morning traders and investors from Capital Wire Global Research Limited. It was a good week for Indian equities. Market rose by 5% week on week basis. Right with the global peers, Nifty closed above its 5100 mark at 5132.30 with gain of more than 240 points week on week basis. Macroeconomic data, inflation and IIP disappoints the market. August IIP comes at 4.1%. Expectation was 5%, and September inflation comes at 9.72%, which is higher. For coming week, Nifty having a major resistance at 5180 levels, and above this level 5250 and 5280 will be the higher zone for market. And Nifty support comes at 5080 levels, and below this level 4980 and 4900 will be the support zone for market. Now Himanshu will continue with stocks.
Hello traders, in this week my pick is Shipping Corporation of India. Shipping Corporation moving under a long consolidation phase. If it manages to sustain above its major resistance of 74, it will give a sharp move till 80. So one should take a long position in Shipping Corporation of India above 74 with the strict stop loss of 71, and target should be 78, 80 and 82. And my another pick is L&T Future Short. Lot size is 250. L&T future is looking weak on the chart. If it breaks its major support level of 1399, it will give a sharp fall till 50. So one should go for a sell at L&T future below 1399 with the strict stop loss of 1420, and target should be 1380, 1360 and 1350. For commodities, Siddharth will continue.
Good morning traders. For the next week in bullion commodities, crude oil can be bullish above the level of 4300. As we saw last week, crude oil was on a bullish trend and prices were not sustaining at lower levels. So for the next week, if crude oil sustains above 4250, then above 4300 it can test the level of 4360. Now talking about agri commodities, for the next week, chana can be bearish below the level of 3040. As we saw last week, chana was on a continuous downtrend and prices were not sustaining at high levels. So for the next week, if chana sustains below 3070, then below 3040 it can test the level of 2990. Thank you.
Thank you both of you. Happy trading week.